Alright guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be replacing O2 sensors on the N54 135I. Basically any N54. I got codes for O2 sensor heater circuit. Basically the car won't run at all, it keeps dying. Apparently it's going to be bank 2. We're going to replace them. As you can see, nothing's been removed. You can pretty much fit your hand in here. You will need this special tool though. Small, so it fits in here perfectly. We need to just replace bank 2, which would be the one back, but since one's already gone out, probably the other one's gonna go out too, so we're gonna buy and replace both of them. They are not cheap. It's about 400 bucks from O'Reilly's. You can probably find them a little cheaper on Amazon, but the car won't run right now, so it's kind of an emergency. So yeah, that's how we replace them. Fit a ratchet through here, loosen that up. Alright, so here we are. We removed one. As you can see, we'll have to remove the front one first, or else you won't be able to fit the tool. As you can see, surprisingly, I was able to get it off with this small ratchet. Makes it a lot easier. Just put it in there, you know, twist it. As soon as you untwist it just a little bit, it should just come off by hand. So from what it looks like, the gray one is bank 2. That one's gray. That one's up like a black coat. If you get the Bosch OEM ones, I guess. So black one goes in the front, gray goes in the back. But that's pretty much it. And now only thing left is on the top. You just disconnect them and fish them down and put the new ones in. Pretty basic, honestly. And we'll see. Hopefully the car runs a lot better. Like I said, the car runs for a little bit and then dies basically. And I can see the AFRs. Bank 2 sensor is not reading at all. It's just stuck at 15. Basically not responding at all. So alright, so here we are. The top, they go routed through the rear. Here are the connections right here. This would be bank 1. Bank 2 is the gray one, as you can see. That's the most obvious way you can tell. And like I said, you just pull them out through here. Fish them out, actually. So like I said, fish them both out. As you can see, one was running a bit weird. One's white, one's black. All right, here we are. New one is right here. Part number for this one is 17098. This is bank 1. Bank 2, I saw they go pick it up. They had to order a special order, but this is the one they had in stock. As you can see, it's pretty much identical. It is identical, actually, in every way, I guess. See, literally the same. You can see the big difference. One's all beat up, the wiring and stuff, but that doesn't really matter. So we're gonna fish it down. I'm gonna leave the cover on just so you know it doesn't get beat up too much. We're gonna fish it down and then route it through the back. And like I said, bank 1 would go to the front. Right here, it's pretty obvious, you know, bank 1's in the front, bank 2's in the back. And yeah, so pretty basic, honestly. Hopefully, like I said, gets rid of the code. All right, so here we are, and I want to go pick up this last O2 sensor, the one that's actually bad, which is bank 2. Just so you guys know how much these things are in total, $409 for 2. And that's with the senior discount. You can see 174 for 1, 204 for the one I actually needed. Go figure. I don't know what's up with that. But like I said, it's an emergency. So, bank 2, obviously the one in the back. Feed it through, and we'll go down to the bottom and hook it up. Like I said, I'm gonna just feed it right here first, and then through the back. I'm gonna keep this on just so it doesn't bang up too much, just like the other one. All right, here we are back in the bottom. As you can see, I put one of the new ones in, the rear one. That one has to go on first, or else it won't fit. And then with the O2 sensor, since you are gonna be screwing it on, it is gonna like get twisted. So what you want to do before you put it on is give it a few turns counterclockwise. So then that way when you put it on, it goes in and then untwists itself and it'll be straight. Because if you try putting it on like that, it'll just tangle itself up and make like a knot basically. But other than that, it's pretty easy. Like I said, your hand fits in here. Well, at least my hand fits in here. Twist it up, tighten it, put the next one on, tighten it. And that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, pretty basic. You could do this in a good 30 minutes, an hour max. All right, and just like that, both of them are in. I'm gonna go up top and just pull them up a little bit more and basically organize them a bit. But other than that, that's pretty much it. they are installed, and we'll see if the code goes away now. All right, guys, here we go. We just flashed the map on, reset everything, reset the lights. Let's check it out. Originally, this right here was stuck at 15. Let's check it out now. Oops. All right, we're gonna let that throttle reset for a bit. Keep the ignition on. All right, here we go. Here we go. Both of them are now working perfect. That's what we wanted. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay, I don't know what's up with that. I don't know why that's at 30. I think that should be a lot higher. That should be like at 50, I think, to be honest. But at least this is moving now. It wasn't moving before. It was like at 15 and stuck there. So at least that's working. This is weird. At least we got one thing fixed, I guess. It's an N54. What do you expect? No check engine light so far. I'll update you guys, see how it goes. But like I said, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fixed.